Alright, so welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be working on firewall. I don't need holes through to the front bumper grill area stuff. So I'm going to take and figure out how to fabricate my firewall. Hopefully you enjoy watching me struggle with some sheet metal. It's going to be simple. I'm just going to put a little 90 and some flat steel and call it good. So here we go. Time lapse.
Alright, so here you see me measuring stuff, walking around, measuring more stuff, writing it down, and taking my radius break off, measuring it out, scratching a line, scratching another line, and cutting off the line. You know, I really wish I had a 4-foot shear to make this stuff way quicker. So here's my fancy little crappy break I made. It still works. Boom. Bend. Kind of fits, kind of looks alright. Measuring the dash over there to make sure I get the right stuff. And yeah. So you can see a little better. I gotta find a way to hold this. I clamp it and boom. That is the angle of the front of the car so that the dash lines up with it. And I just mirror the angle on the other side. And voila. So now I put this thing back under the table. Straighten it up a little. Pull the doghouse. And try to fit this thing in there. The gas pedal was in the way. And the side piece is in the way. The bottom piece is hitting in the way. Measuring a little notch for the bottom piece. Do. Now it fits, but I kind of go, wait a second, I'm hitting on the side. A little bit more. Yep. Alright, now I gotta address this side piece here soon. So we bent it up, and it's gone. Now it goes to the edge, and I put a screw in the wrong spot, so I put another one. Wife made fun of me for it. Mark out the front, and this is so the airflow still works. And then test fit it, and it looks like a dash. Before, after, much better.
Alright, so I did work a little bit. It's about 105 degrees. I'm done working in the sun. I can barely touch the steel, it gets hot. But I did get this piece cut. I did get the engine side notched out. This is what it's going to look like. I think it's turning out pretty good. You guys let me know what you think. I still got to do a strip up here to seal this side in a little better and then bring this together. And I also started on the dash. So what I'm trying to do with this dash is I have to round up over so that I clear this. Ooh, can't barely touch it. But if this was here, then I want to be able to open the dash to get to my brake fluid. But then I don't want it just to sit there, so I think I'll add something more like this way that comes across that it will just, stuff. So anyway, working on the dash, still thinking it through. Still got some more to do, but it's hot. I have other things to do in the house. I got to fix a bathroom faucet. So I'm done with the car today. It's too hot for a penguin. You guys have fun, and I'd say go get to work, but hopefully you can go swimming because it's hot. You guys have fun. See you next time.